The upcoming film Sardar Udham has created quite a buzz among the audiences since the release of its trailer. This biographical film features the Uri actor Vicky Kaushal in the lead role and is based on the life story of the revolutionary freedom fighter Udham Singh. While we know about a lot of Indian freedom fighters, not many of us know about the remarkable contribution of Udham Singh in India's fight for independence. Today, we will talk about this Indian revolutionary and tell you about his brave efforts in taking revenge from a British official for the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. If you want to know about Udham Singh's life story and how he contributed in making his motherland free from the clutches of British rule, then keep watching this video till the end. But before we start, hit the subscribe button if you are new to the channel and turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates from us. And now, let's get started. Udham Singh was born on 26th December 1899 at the village named Soonam in Punjab's Sangrur district. He spent his childhood in an orphanage in Amritsar after losing his parents at an early age. While growing up, he witnessed intense political turmoil in Punjab. In February 1919, the British government passed the Rowlatt Acts, which allowed the police to imprison any person without trial. The acts received countrywide opposition, and on 10th April 1919, two independence leaders, Dr. Satya Pal and Dr. Saifuddin Kichlu, were arrested under the Rowlatt Act. This led to widespread discontent and violent riots broke out between the people of Punjab and the British troops. To bring things under control, the Punjab Lieutenant Governor Sir Michael O'Dwyer handed the command to Brigadier General R.E.H. Dyer, who gave an open order of arresting nationalists and banning gatherings. On April 13, more than 10,000 people gathered at Jallianwala Bagh for a peaceful protest against the arrest of the Indian nationalist leaders. In this gathering, Udham Singh and his friends were given the task of serving water to the thirsty people. On Dyer's order, however, British troops sealed off the only exit gate of the ground and opened fire on the unarmed crowd without any warning. The 20-year-old Udham Singh witnessed this horrific event in which thousands of people got killed and wounded. From then on, he had only one intention in his mind, that is, to take revenge for this brutal act by the British general. Next year in San Francisco, he met the members of the Ghadar Party, which is a revolutionary party formed by the immigrant Sikhs. For the next few years, Udham traveled across America to gather support for their movement. In 1927, he returned to Punjab, and in the same year, he was arrested for keeping illegal arms and for running the Ghadar Party's radical publication Ghadar Di Ganj. Udham was imprisoned for 4 years, and in 1931, even after his release, Udham was under strict police surveillance due to his close connection with another revolutionary freedom fighter, Bhagat Singh. He then made his way to Kashmir, where he used his allies to evade police and escape to Germany. In 1933, he reached England with the sole motive of assassinating Michael O'Dwyer, who was mainly responsible for the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. During his stay there, Udham was involved in many professions like working as a carpenter, motor mechanic, signboard painter, and even an extra in movies. But he never forgot his main motive of avenging the 1919 massacre. On March 13, 1940, Michael O'Dwyer went to speak at a meeting in London's Caston Hall, where Udham Singh sneaked in with a revolver hidden in his overcoat. Udham Singh shot Michael twice at the end of the meeting, after which he was immediately arrested and taken in custody. On 31st July 1940, Udham Singh was hanged at London's Pentonville prison and buried within the same prison grounds. During his imprisonment, Udham used the name Ram Muhammad Singh Azad to symbolize the unity of all religions in India against the British rule. The bravery of this forgotten hero is worth remembering forever. And now, the ace director Sujit Sarkar has taken up the responsibility of telling Udham Singh's story to the audience through his next film, Sardar Udham. We are quite excited to watch Vicky Kaushal in the role of Udham Singh and watch the incredible journey of this real-life hero. You will get to watch Udham Singh's journey when the film releases on 16th of October on Amazon Prime. And before that, if you liked this video, then don't forget to like and share.